Everybody, this is Mrs. Wigton. I just want to take you through how to navigate the English 106A classroom. So when you log into the Ohio Virtual Academy and you come onto the home page and you click your classes, you will see English 106A come up on your schedule. So what you need to do is click on the English 106A and you are going to see something similar to this page. You will see the title here, English 106, and it will give you my email and my texting number. In order to text me, though, you need to make sure that you have opted in for that link. You will find that on the Getting to Know You survey that you will see in the Getting Started unit. If you do not see that, just please reach out to me and I will send that to you. But you will need to click on that link and opt in for that if you would like to text me. Otherwise, you can email me for constant communication. On this first page, when you open it up, you are going to see class announcements down here. On your page also, you will see something that says grade, so that stays updated. You will see progress, you will see overdue, and then you will see contact my teacher. So those will look a little differently from what is here on the recording, but you will see those when you open up your page. I would like to emphasize the fact that you do need to read your class announcements. There will be a new class announcement posted every Monday. If there is something that happens or occurs during the week that I need to tell everybody about, then I will post a new announcement. Look at this little bell up here. It will show you that there is something new. There will be an orange dot if there's something new. So make sure that you just pay attention to that. So your class announcements will be here. Normally, there will be your Class Connect schedule will be on that class announcement, and you will see what the week entails, what assignments you are responsible for that week as well. Over here, you will see a class plan. This is the calendar, so whatever is due that week, you will see on that. Now, you'll click on your content tab, and that is where you are going to find your units. So when you click on the content tab, everything that you are responsible for that week will show up here on the left. So for instance, this first week, you will see the Start Here, Getting Started folder. That will be available to you. The units that are available to you are all the units that you will see on this side. So if we are working in Unit 1 for the week, that is the only unit that you will see for that week. You will not see Units 2 through 7. You will only have access to Unit 1 and any previous units before that. So just so you know, if you come to your content and you don't see anything else after Unit 1, it is coming, but we will focus on one unit a week. So that will help you make sure that you stay on track for that week. So this is where you will see your units. This is also where you will see Class Connect recordings. When you click on Class Connect recordings, you will see each folder. They will be labeled, so orientation, thank you, ma'am, essential traits, the necklace, whatever unit is current, you will see those Class Connect recordings there, and you will also be able to go back to these other units and retrieve any past recordings to help you. So just know that that is good for you there. And then one thing that I want to draw your attention to also is the unit PowerPoints and the class notes. So everything that we go through in live class, you will see right here. So here is the PDF document for any PowerPoint that I use in class. So just so you know, you do have access to all of that. So any class notes that we take, anything that for which you are responsible, you will see on these PowerPoint PDFs. You also will see an online textbook. So whatever story you have for that week, you will have access to that. So your online textbook, you will see right here all of the stories that we will be covering through this quarter. And then one last thing, you will see a help folder. There is my contact information. There's also tech support. So as you have issues with your computer, which you will, you can click on this and it will take you to the contact support. So it's labeled here, however you need to do that. That is totally fine. And then you will also have access to websites. Here's some information on how to take a screenshot if you do not have that information, how to submit an assignment in the Dropbox, how to post to the discussion board, and then just some extra things here for you. So that is how you will navigate through English 106A. Just wanted to share that really quickly with you guys. Please reach out if you have any questions, and welcome to English 106A with Mrs. Wigton.